What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today I wanted to show you the inside of this channel that I really haven't actually shared with anyone, and this is actually the first time I'm showing you the analytics inside this particular channel. So the reason this channel has actually got a lot of revenue compared to what you can actually see with the views is because the channel we are actually creating longer videos. Okay, I'm talking about somewhere between an hour to 3 hour long videos, and pretty much what we're doing on this particular channel is we're creating videos on storytelling, and also people actually love to actually sleep on this style of videos, and pretty much having this sort of videos be playing on the background while the people actually sleeping. Okay, so that's the reason you see so much revenue on this particular channel. And if I actually go to a revenue tab, you can see every 1,000 views we're making about 1957. Okay, that's the RPM. That's after YouTube has actually got their cut, right? And pretty much you can see with the revenue, we have like not a big days. However, this channel only got like, it's only a baby channel, as you can see, 7,000 subscribers, and every 48 hours we actually getting 6,000, between 6 to I think 15,000 views we getting. But we don't need to get that much views to be making a lot of money. Okay, 28 days we were able to hit close to about $1,400. Okay, and which can actually go in paying a lot of things. Okay, can be paying for car petrol, can be paying for groceries, can be paying for mortgage, and we can be also be paying for a lot of things, kids college educations. You can be saving money if you want to go for holidays and stuff like that, so and that's the thing I wanted to bring to your attention is don't just be relying on getting a lot of views. Okay, because even if people who are actually showing you that they're getting close to about 1 million to 1 billion views, they're still making peanuts. They're creating shorts channel, and they're making only like 5 to 10 cents. Okay, compared to if you start creating longer form content, you don't need to get that much views. You need only little amount of views, and the what we call the average view duration on those videos are a lot higher compared to if you creating shorts videos. Okay, that's the beauty about YouTube automation, is because you can be making money in a lot of different ways. Okay, we normally focus on videos close to about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and this channel, as you can see, our videos are a lot longer, which is like close to about 60 minutes all the way to 3 hours, and people who are actually doing videos on this particular niche, our competition, they've been making videos somewhere between 5 to 7 hours long, so that way they're now people actually sleeping on their videos, like the videos actually playing in the background, and they're making a lot of money. Okay, that's the reason I wanted to show you this video, just to break down, like, you don't need to get a lot of views to be making income through your YouTube automation channel. Most of the time people are just chasing views, chasing like trends, which trends normally die out, but what we're trying to be focusing on is evergreen content. And it's good if in that evergreen content you can actually mix it up with trending, so that way your channel will have that sustainable subscribers coming in and day out, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question regarding what sort of channel we actually creating, especially to get high RPM, I'll tell you right off the bat, the highest RPM niches are motivation. Okay, motivation pays a lot of money. We were on our motivation channels, we were creating videos and we were making about 1,000 views. We were making close to about $25 RPM. Okay, and this one, as you saw, we made close to about $20 per 1,000 views. And think about it, like 1,000 views, you're getting a lot of revenue, and these audience are also pretty much your diehard fans of your channels. Okay, they keep coming up, keep watching your channel time and time again. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you wanna get in touch with me, I'll leave a link for my Facebook profile. You can come and connect to me and we can chat in there. And also, if you wanna know how we actually monetize our channel, I'll shed some light on that, so you can have your monetized channel right off the bat, and so that way you can start earning income from day one. So again, thank you so much, and talk to you soon. God bless. Bye for now.